Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to send estimates and invoices to your customers or your expected person, then this video is for you. So organizing an organized invoice and estimate can help you to calculate and track all the transactions, all the deals with customers, and also customers can get a proper, well decorated information about their transactions. So it is crucial in any business to have a decorated estimate and invoice. So first thing you have to do is log into your QuickBooks account. Once you have logged in, you can find the plus new button here at the left side. Simply click on it where you can find customers. Now in this customer section you can find the estimate. Simply click on estimate where you will be able to create an estimate from here. So I have already created an estimate here. Now you have to first add the customer name. So I'm going to add the customer name from here. Then it will automatically detect the email address if you have associated the customer with their email. Now once you have added this, you can add the billing address from here. Now select the billing address. So I'm going to add the test. I'm going to add test address for just like this. Now the estimate date. So when you have just preparing this invoice, or you have just served that customers or delivered a product or purchase the product, the customer purchased the product from you, you can add the date from here. Simply click on this calendar icon and select the date, and you can add an estimate number from here. You can add a custom number. For example, if I just change it from here, it will change here. You can see just like this. Now I'm going to add the serial number from here. Now the expiration date, you can select the expiration date for the service here, so or the payment, the due date here. So once you have added, now you can find here some columns and rows that will help you to hold your service date, product service, or product or service, whatever you are serving or selling, the descriptions and quantity, how much, and the rate per service or per product, and the amount. It will automatically detect the amount from here. Now you can add the date from here. I'm going to add the date. Now the product and services. Click on the drop down and select the product. Now I'm going to select the product here. You can add any description from here. Now the quantity. So for example, I have just added quantity. It will automatically count your rate per piece of the product or service that you have added on your inventory, and the total amount it will automatically calculate for you in this amount section. Once you have added, you can add more of them from here. Also you can add more line by simply click on add lines. Once you have added, you can also add a message displayed on estimate like thanks for purchase. Now you can add a message displayed on statement. Keep this invoice for further records, future records, or anything you can add here. So you can also add some attachment. You can add an image or document if you want so. Now you have to do is simply click on save and send. So it will automatically save that estimate here and send instantly if you click on it. And if you want to save it right now and send it later, then you can simply click on save. So I'm going to save and send here. So it will send the text, the invoice or estimate automatically to that expected email address. So once they have opened their inbox, they will find the invoice here, which they can easily print them from their email address. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.